to make a card. So, first up, get your paper. Then, draw some rectangles. 2 small rectangles. Obviously, I'm drawing a square. Ooh, not yet. Then you get your colored pencils. And color them in. That's a fun bit. And then you get your scissors. Be careful because scissors are sharp. Then, it's actually a tricky bit then. You have to try and turn around and then... Okay. Papa, just stop for a sec. I don't know where it's gone. Oh, there it goes. So now, continue.
Okay, continue it.
So, then you have your red card here. You have your red card. Then, you get your yellow card. So, yellow card is going to be not even tricky at all. It looks like a rectangle, but it's a square. So,
Do you want me to continue recording?
yeah.
Oh, sorry, I had stopped. Okay, I'll continue again. Just say that again, whole thing.
So first you cut it out.
Yeah, I've got that one.
You've already cut your red card out.
Yes, sure.
So then, now you cut your yellow card out.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, what you're trying to make?
Cards.
Codes.
Yeah, cards.
Oh, cards. Okay.
Yeah, cards.
What kind of card is that?
Yellow cards and red cards. Remember I saw in the Rugby World Cup
Okay.
2019?
2019. Okay.
Yeah, Rugby World Cup 2019.
Oh, what was that card for?
The card, yellow card would just stay in the bench for 5 minutes, and the other one was, yeah. Ooh, I can't even get. So then it's actually tricky. Then you have to try and cut over here. Then you've got your red cards.
Sorry, what was the red card and yellow card was for?
Red card is to sit in the bench for 30,
Okay.
and the yellow
Can you
card
sit down, please?
is
Yeah.
for sitting in the bench for 5 minutes.
Oh.
And so you should please subscribe this because these cards are really good. And if you don't know how to do it, just type how to make cards and then you'll understand. So please subscribe this now. Yeah.
Was it first?